Let's start right in with this first problem. We have negative 4/5 divided by 1/2. Now using our process, we keep the first fraction, so negative 4/5. We flip the second fraction, so now we have 2 over 1. And we change the sign to multiply. So then we can go ahead and, like we learned last week, we can multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom, which would be negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, and 5 times 1 is 5. And that gives us, give me a second here so we can get ourselves straight, 5. I apologize for the jumping about of the screen where I'm trying to get my computer coordinated here. So we end up having here, and I apologize because my iPad's not working right now, so we get negative 8/5. Now, negative 8/5, we could simplify that to negative 1 3/5, which would be encouraged, although if you don't do that on the quiz, I will not count it against you. As we take a look at the next example, we have 7/8 divided by negative 1/4. And so we want to give this problem a shot for yourself, and then we'll pick it up together in just a minute. Alright, so taking this problem, we keep 7/8 exactly as it is, and we take negative 1/4 and we change it into negative 4 over 1. Now if you want to keep the negative sign with the negative 1, that is fine as well, and we'll multiply. Now in this instance, I see that 8 and 4 have a common factor of 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. By simplifying ahead of time, then I assure that I will have the simplest form when I multiply it out and not have to deal with big numbers. 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. And 2 times 1 is 2. Now, this problem, I'm going to put this one into mixed number form. 2 goes into negative 7, negative 3 times, with 1 left over out of 2. Therefore giving me negative 3.5 for a solution. My last problem here, 4/9 divided by 2/3. I'm going to keep the first 4/9, and I'm going to change 2/3 to 3/2. Please don't say 3/2s because that doesn't work. Change division to multiplication. Now in this problem, I see that 9 and 3 have a common factor of 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Likewise, 4 and 2 have a common factor of 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So when I go ahead and multiply across the top, I get 2. And across the bottom, I get 3. Therefore giving me 2/3 for a final answer.